The Corsair XTM70 Extreme Performance Thermal Paste combines fantastic heat transfer and easy application to keep your high-end CPU, GPU, or other components reliably cool, even during the most intense tasks and overclocking. In this video, we'll show you how to use the kit. It's perfect for the highest performing high TDP CPUs and GPUs, where every fraction of a degree matters. Step 1. Wipe down the contact surface of the cold plate as such using the alcohol wipes provided. We'll be using the Corsair Elite LCD Cooler here as an example. Step 2. Peel off the adhesive film protector on the stencil applicator. Step 3. Carefully place the adhesive stencil applicator onto the center of the cold plate. Step 4. Apply a line of XTM70 thermal paste along one side of the stencil like so. Step 5. Use the provided applicator card to evenly spread the thermal paste across the triangle cutouts. If you need to add more thermal paste, you may do so and continue evenly spreading until the cutouts are covered. Step 6. Peel off the adhesive stencil and you should have enough thermal paste applied to your cold plate. Finally, install the cooling hardware onto the CPU as instructed by your hardware manufacturer. And that's it for how to use the Corsair XTM70 Thermal Paste Kit. Thanks for watching.